Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Joe Metlow with Next Level Auto Detail, and in today's video we are going to be announcing the winners of these two ceramic kits. Before I go ahead and announce the winners, I would personally like to thank McKees37 and AutoGeek for making this possible. It was important for me as Ray's friend to honor him in some way, and I'm very, very grateful and excited that we're able to do this in Ray's honor. So thank you, McKees37, and thank you, AutoGeek. I would also personally like to thank all of my subscribers for leaving nice, encouraging comments. Greatly appreciate all your nice words, and I ask that you continue to keep Ray's family in prayer. It's time to announce the winners. For the McKees37 kit, Young Swaggard IK. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, so congratulations to Young Swaggard IK. And for the Blackfire ceramic kit, the winner is Big Old Dog. So congratulations to you, Big Old Dog. I know that you guys are going to be utilizing and putting these kits to good use. I'm going to be messaging you. You guys have 7 days to give me your information, and as soon as possible, I will send these out. So congratulations to the winners, and thank you everybody for the encouraging words and the support. It means a lot to me. If you didn't win, we are going to have a lot of giveaways on the channel in the future. Thank you all for watching. I hope all of you are doing well. I will see you guys in the next one. And rest in peace, Raymond Vega.